Hello, this is Colin Brazenvale, and this is another video on Wealth Migrate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fund your wallet or your Wealth Migrate wallet with Bitcoin. Bitcoin allows you or anybody anywhere in the world to participate in this property investment platform. Wealth Migrate is a property investment platform that's online that gives you the opportunity to invest in property anywhere in the world, from very small amounts to any large amount. What I also wanted to remind you of the competition is a competition where you can win a flat in Cape Town worth 2.5 million rand, which is about $200,000. I don't know how much Bitcoin that is. I'll put the link in the comments below for the competition, and you can also register with Wealth Migrate that way. You can see I've got a playlist on how to get started with Wealth Migrate. I've already made a Wealth Migrate review, then how to register and how to fund your account with rands or with dollars or with your currency. They'll give you a bank details because it's like a EFT, they call it in South Africa, electronic fund transfer, or overseas I know they call it sometimes a bank wire. So I'm just going to log into my account, log in. Didn't remember, I think I cleared my cookies. Just log in. So yes, if it's your first time watching or hearing about Wealth Migrate, I highly recommend you watch my first video on Wealth Migrate review, so you can see who are the people behind it, and so you can also see why I'm trusting this company so much, and they've got a lot of credibility behind them. I'm quite excited. On today's Tuesday, on Thursday I'm going to a full day workshop in Johannesburg or Midrand that Wealth Migrate is going to present, and Scott Picken, the CEO, is going to be there himself. So I'm looking forward to that, and also hoping to bring you some more inside information about Wealth Migrate that I find out there. So I've logged in, and then after you've logged in as well, you'll see congratulations. You can get your friends to also take part in the competition. Every time they or anybody that takes part that you referred, you get another ticket in the draw. So it increases your chances to win the flat. So I highly recommend you do that. You just click on more information. I'll do that quickly. And this building is called 021 Tower, but you can also invest, and I'm going to invest in this. I'm going to use the money that I'm showing you today. I'm going to invest in this block. The minimum investment is 1,000 rand, and you've got to divide it by 12 or 13 to say 13 to get to the dollar amount. But anybody anywhere in the world can invest in or partake in this platform. Most of the investments are in dollars, but because this is the first South African building, it's in rands, so they will convert the currency. Don't worry too much about the technicality about it, but as soon as you get started, you'll see how it all works out. If I invest, say, in a building that's in United States, and I invested with my rands, then the rands will be converted to dollars. So the actual investment will be made in dollars. So the dollars will buy the building, and then the appreciation will also be in dollars. So that gives me opportunity, if the rand devalues as it done for the last 100 years against the dollar, then I'll get a double appreciation on my investment. So I'll get the appreciation in dollars and from the investment, and I'll get a return from the devaluation of the rand. In rand terms, I'll get more rands back. So yeah, I don't want to get too technical about it. You've got to consult your investment advisor. I'm not an investment advisor, and this is not investment advice. I'm just showing you how to use the platform, and I'm also an affiliate of the platform. So when I refer people, I get 1% of the investment you make. So I just want you to know that and to show you that I'm transparent. And you can do exactly the same. You can just register as a partner and refer your friends, and when they make investments, you get 1%. I'm here to help you. If you join my team, I'll help you get set up as well. I've got a phone call coming through, so I'll have to wait now. Okay, so yes, you refer your friends. So you just click on the competition and you enter the emails here. Your friends will get a very nice email telling them about the competition and asking them to register. All you need to do to register for the competition is for free. So all you need to do is just register and you've got your ticket in. So yeah, I don't want to go too much into the competition. And let's just browse through the platform. Okay, I've clicked on the top navigation bar. There's on my portfolio. It's just loading now. And you can see you've got to complete your personal profile with all your passport details and a proof of address. So if they do a FICA or know your customer verification. On this map, they'll show you where your investments are. I haven't made any investments. Here you can, my open investments will be here, my funded investments will be there. I haven't got anything yet. Here's my wallet. I've already added 1,000 Rand with the electronic funds transfer. You can see my previous video about that. Okay, so I want to, here's the top picks. There's 3 investments available at the moment. I don't want to go into that right now. I just want to show you how to invest with your Bitcoin. Or how to fund your account with Bitcoin. So just click on Fund My Account. Then they say choose. I've loaded my company and my personal. I'm going to do it in my personal name. And then I'll just go next. It's loading. Now this is the EFT or the bank wire. Paygate. I'm not familiar with Paygate. I don't think Paygate's open yet. And then they've got BitPay. BitPay is the Bitcoin option. So I'm just going to click on BitPay. Now I see they've got it in US dollars here. Because the investment I want to make is 1,000 Rand. So let me just work out more or less what the worst case, 1,000 Rand divided by 13. That is $76. But just to be safe, I'm going to say, let's just make it at $90. Then I click on Pay. Just loading now. Okay, so here I've got to pay into, if you know how Bitcoin works, you've got to pay it into an address, or they've got this QR code. If you've got a Bitcoin wallet that's an app on your phone, you can just scan this QR code and will transfer the money immediately. I don't have a Bitcoin wallet app because I've got my account with Coin Payments. Here's my Coin Payments account. I'll show you now. I'm going to transfer it manually. So I'm just going to go, instead of using the scan, I'm going to use the copy. And here you can see the exact Bitcoin. So it's 0.0419 whatever Bitcoin. And here's the address. So I've got to make sure that I'm going to use this address. So just copy that full address and make sure you've got the first and the last digit or numbers or letters. It's very small, but it's okay. It's a 1 and a 6. So I'm just going to copy that. Then I'm going to my Bitcoin wallet, and I'm using coinpayments.net, and I highly recommend you also use them. They're very easy to use. I just go to my wallet. And then here's the options. So I can receive or send. I want to send funds. Okay, because I've already copied and pasted the address, I just want to do that first. So here, let's say Bitcoin address. So I just add, and it's the 1 and the 6. I've got the full address in there. You see, it looks like there's a space. Yeah, just make sure that there's no spaces. There's no spaces there. Okay, it's a full address. So now you must add the exact Bitcoin amount. Very important. So let me just copy the full Bitcoin amount here, because otherwise, if you make mistakes, it will just go void, or just be returned to sender, or just it would not register at all. So the funds will be returned to your Bitcoin wallet, and the money and the funds will not show in your Wealth Migrate fund, wallet. So, okay, and then, okay, there's a fee. I see the fee has doubled lately, but that is very low. It's 0.0002 Bitcoin. You can times that by 2,000, because the current Bitcoin price is $2,100. But yeah, that's the price now. So, and that's added. So it will take that amount off my Bitcoin, but Wealth Migrate will get the full Bitcoin number. Don't transfer the dollars. You must transfer the Bitcoin, the numbers of Bitcoin, because Wealth Migrate is expecting that amount in dollars. And here you can see the waiting sheet. Each account, I think it started, you've got 15 minutes to make this payment. So you can see the counter there, awaiting payment, and there's okay, so let's do it. So all I need to do is just click on request withdrawal. Okay, your withdrawal request has been created, an email has been sent. So how Coin Payments works is they want to verify that I've sent this amount. So I just want to refresh here. So I should get an email from them that I need to. There's the email, withdrawal confirmation, and then there's this link, and there's the amount that's going to be sent to that address. So I just click on the confirmation link. Withdrawal confirmed. So now that's been done. It normally takes anything from 5 to 30 minutes. Currently, the blockchain is very busy, so it takes a little bit longer. They're working on getting the blockchain to work faster, but that's technical stuff. Don't worry about it. So here you can see it's pending. As soon as this goes away, I'll know it's on its way to Wealth Migrate. And on this side, let me just see. Maybe we should just wait for this to close. As soon as this closes, I'm sure it will then reflect on that side. But yeah, before Bitcoin became so busy, it was almost instant. It was much quicker. But they're working on technology to get the Bitcoin to be transferred much quicker. But one of the big advantage of Bitcoin is the transaction fees, which is so low. I just want to refresh this and see if it's gone through yet. No. So what's happening now is they need two confirmations from two miners to validate this transaction. So as soon as two miners has confirmed the transaction, it will go through. But like I said, it can take a while. I don't want to close this now because I'm not sure how. Normally I just close it, but I don't know how the BitPay works. Okay, something happened. Payment confirmed. This payment has been made at low Bitcoin miner fee, which may prevent it from being accepted with Bitcoin network. This is an issue with the configuration of the Bitcoin wallet. If the track doesn't confirm, the funds will be suspended again to your sendable. Sorry, not suspendable. Sendable back to my wallet. So if something goes wrong, the money will just be transferred again. transaction created, transaction confirmation. So here you can see the steps now. So the first one is it's been created, and here they say it can take up to 72 hours. That is very long. But anyway, we'll have to go with the system. That is obviously how BitPay works. But that is quite long. But obviously they want to make it secure. I was hoping that it will be immediate. So we might have to wait 3 days before we can see it reflected in our account. So the first step is transaction created, transaction confirmation, payment received by Direct Markets Africa. Okay. So I think I can just close this, or let's just click away. View transaction. Okay, now it's going to BitPay. I don't have an account with BitPay. I'm not familiar with them, but it's showing me this. I just want to see if I click escape, or must I can't keep this open for 3 days. Or there's somewhere maybe. Okay, yeah, it's the first time that I've done the. I just want to see if I refresh here, what happens. Because I want to go back to the. It didn't. Yeah, see, I couldn't click on the complete button. So I hope or trust it will go through, even though I didn't click on complete. Oh, there's my mouse power went down. Okay, a lot of things happening now. So let me just close this. Okay, I wonder if they sent me an email confirmation of the. But I'll have to go to this is my email that I use for my online stuff. So I'll go back to my personal email. Let's just see that. No, it doesn't show it right now. Okay. So what I'll do is after if they send me any communication of if they've had problems on their side, I know the money. I'm not worried about the money that it will disappear or anything like that, because like they said, if there's any problem, they'll just revert it back to my Bitcoin wallet. This is BitPay transaction. Here's a transaction summary, size. I'm not familiar with BitPay, but I'll figure it out and then I'll share it with you. Included in block, unconfirmed. Yeah, see, it's still unconfirmed. Like I understand it, the two miners need to confirm the transaction first, then will be confirmed, then we'll go into the block, and then it's part of a new block that's created. Yes, so that's how you transfer to Wealth Migrate with Bitcoin. If there's any error, then I'll make another video to show you the completed transaction. But you need to have a Bitcoin wallet, and I highly recommend Coin Payments. I'll check out BitPay, because maybe for South Africans it will be easier to have a BitPay account. Then you can buy your Bitcoin from localbitcoins.com. I've got another video that shows you how to acquire Bitcoin if you want to do it that way. But otherwise, if in South Africa, just do an EFT. It takes 1 day. You just need to upload your proof of payment. In my previous video, I show you how to do it with the EFT. If you're overseas or anywhere in the world, if you're in the UK, in America, and Australia, then they've got direct bank accounts where you can just do a bank wire to their bank account, and then the next day it will reflect on your in your wallet here, in your Wealth Migrate wallet. I just want to show you here. in your, like it's saying, okay, here you can see it's showing ZAR, that is a South African rand. So here I've already got 1,000 rand in here. But yes, so that is how to fund your wallet in Bitcoin. If this was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up. And if not, you can give us a thumbs down. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for future updates on Wealth Migrate. In my next video, I'll show you how I'm going to use this 1,000 rand to buy a share in the 021 tower. It will be this one here. Just want to click on that. So yes, so I'll see you in the next video with how to invest in a property. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.